Affirmations are powerful tools that help challenge and overcome self-sabotaging thoughts. By using positive statements, individuals can boost their self-esteem, initiate positive change, and foster personal growth. These affirmations act as reinforcing beliefs that counteract negative thinking patterns. They serve as a catalyst for improving one's mindset and overall well-being. Through the repetition of affirmations, individuals can reprogram their thought patterns and cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life, leading to a transformative effect on their self-perception and behavior. Before creating affirmations, it's crucial to pinpoint personal goals and areas for personal development. This process involves introspection and identifying specific aspects that individuals aim to enhance or achieve. Whether it's boosting confidence, conquering fears, or striving for success in a particular domain, defining these objectives forms the foundation for tailored affirmations. By aligning affirmations with personal aspirations, individuals can effectively leverage them to bolster their progress towards self-improvement. This deliberate approach ensures that affirmations directly address the areas where individuals seek growth, offering a roadmap for their journey towards positive transformation. Crafting effective affirmations entails adhering to specific principles. They must embody positivity, conveying optimistic and uplifting sentiments to instill a constructive mindset. Furthermore, specificity is crucial, delineating precisely what individuals aspire to attain or embody. Aligning affirmations with the present tense anchors them in the current reality, reinforcing the notion that the desired outcomes are achievable. Additionally, effective affirmations evoke potent emotions, deepening their impact and resonating with individuals on a profound level. By incorporating these elements, affirmations become potent tools for shaping a positive self-narrative and manifesting desired realities. Repetition and visualization serve as pivotal facets in harnessing the potential of affirmations. Daily repetition of affirmations ingrains them into the subconscious, fostering a shift towards embracing their empowering messages. This consistent reinforcement bolsters the belief in these affirmations, shaping one's perspective and influencing subsequent actions. Furthermore, visualization of the desired outcomes magnifies the impact of affirmations, enabling individuals to vividly envisage the realization of their aspirations. Through this dual approach, affirmations permeate the subconscious, propelling individuals towards aligning their thoughts and actions with their defined objectives, ultimately manifesting positive change. Integrating affirmations into daily routines is essential for their effective application. By consistently reinforcing affirmations in the morning, throughout the day, and before bed, individuals perpetuate a positive narrative encompassing their aspirations. This frequent repetition cultivates a pervasive influence, steering individuals towards embracing optimistic perspectives and fostering personal advancement. The strategic incorporation of affirmations into daily practice underscores their significance, yielding a continuous affirmation of positive beliefs and aspirations. This habitual integration infuses everyday life with affirmations, bolstering personal growth and fortifying the path towards realizing the envisioned goals.